You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word or this name. This is the name of a game as well. We're going to be looking at how to say more vocabulary as well, so make sure to stay tuned. Now in English, this is said as Agricola. Agricola. Now in Italian, if you're wondering, this is said as Agricola, Agricola, but in English, Agricola. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.